Hey guys, very good morning to all of you. So let me start with my introduction first. I am Pushkar Ranjan, bearing USN number 1VE20CS119, currently studying in 6th semester in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at SVC Bangalore. The subject for which I am carrying out this session today is for computer graphics and visualization, and the subject code is 18CS62. Now, what are the topics we are going to see today are: what is computer graphics? What are its applications? And introduction of working of pixels on screen. So let's begin one by one. What is computer graphics? Computer graphics is an art of drawing pictures, lines, charts, etc. using computer with the help of programming. Computer graphics image is made up of number of pixels. Pixel is the smallest addressable graphic unit represented on the computer screen. So it's a simple definition for the computer graphics. I hope you all got it. The next topic is, what are computer graphics applications? The applications are listed as computer aided design, graphs and charts, data visualizations, education and training, image processing, and entertainment. Next, number first we are going to see is graphs and charts. An early application for computer graphics is the display of simple data graphs usually plotted on a character printer. Data plotting is still one of the most common graphics application. Second, typically examples of data plots are line graphs, bar charts, pie charts, surface graphs, counter plots, and other displays showing relationships between multiple parameters in 2 dimension, 3 dimensions, or higher dimensional spaces. You can see here the diagram. Whatever the examples we have mentioned here, like line chart, bar chart, etc. You can see the example, these bar chart, pictograph, broken line graph, etc. All of these are possible to draw in computer graphics. So moving to the next, computer aided design. First, a major use of computer graphics is in design processes, particularly for engineering and architectural system. Second, CAD, that stands for Computer Aided Design, or CAD, Computer Aided Drafting and Design. Methods are now routinely used in the automobiles, aircraft, spacecraft, or computers and home applications. Circuits and networks for communications, water supply, or other utilities are constructed with the repeated placement of a few geographical shapes. Animations are often used in CAD applications. Real-time computer animations using wireframe shapes are useful for quickly testing the performance of a vehicle system. So these are the smallest, or you can say the simplest definition or explanation about the subtopic. Next, we are having data visualizations. Producing the graphical representation for scientific, engineering, and medical data sets are processes in another fairly new application of computer graphics, which is generally referred as a scientific visualization. And the term business visualization is used to connection with a data sets related to commerce, industry, and non-scientific areas. You can see in this photo, this is a human face. With the help of data visualization, we are able to see the inner portion of the face, the skull, the brain, everything. With the help of this data visualization, we can see the inner portion of the face. The next, education and training. First, computer-generated models of physical, financial, political, social, economic, and other systems are often used as educational aids. For some training applications, special hardware systems are designed. Example of such specialization systems are simulators for practice sessions, aircraft pilots, air traffic control personnel. Third, some simulators have no video screens. For example, flight simulator with one only a control panel for instrument flying. The next application is image processing, the modification or interpretation of existing pictures such as photographs and TV scans is called image processing. The method used in computer graphics and image processing overlap. The two areas are concerned with fundamentally different operations. Image processing methods are used to improve the picture quality, analyze images, and recognize the visual patterns for robotics applications. Image processing methods are often used in computer graphics, and computer graphics methods are frequently applied in the image processing. In this image, you can see that this is a plant cell. With the help of image processing, we are able to analyze the chloroplast, mitochondria, the cell wall, plasmodesmata, ribosomes, etc. Next, what is a pixel? The pixel, a word invented from picture element, is the basic unit of programmable color on a color display or in a computer image. Think of it as a logical rather than a physical unit. Pixels are smallest unit in a digital display. Up to millions of pixels make up an image or video on a device screen. Each pixel comprises a subpixel that emits a red, green, and blue color, which displays at different intensities. The RGB color components make up the gamut of colors that appears on a screen or display monitor. When referencing the resolution of a display, numbers like 1920 into 1080 that refers to number of pixels. You can see I have shown the examples here. Like this is the TV screen, what we are going to see, the image over there. And at the back side, these are the pixels. When coming together, forming a image. Same thing in this also. This is a character. We all have played this game. These are the pixels which generate a character or an image on the screen, right? How do pixels work and how they are used? The number of pixels determines the resolution of computer monitor or TV screen, and generally the more pixels, the clearer and the sharper the image. The resolution of newest 8000 full ultra high definition TVs on the market is approximately 33 million pixels or 7680 into 4320. The number of pixels is calculated by multiplying the horizontal and vertical pixel measurements. For example, HD has 1920 horizontal pixels and 1080 vertical pixels, which totals 20,73,600. It's normally shown as 1920 into 1080 or just as 1080 pixels. The P stands for progressive scan. A 4K video resolution, for example, has 4 times more pixels than a full definition, and 8000 has 16 times more pixels than 1080 progressive scan. Other common display resolution include the following: 480p, which is the standard definition, is 640 into 480 and is often used for small mobile devices. 7000p, which is HD, is 1280 into 720. 1440p which is 2550 into 1440 and considered quarter HD, is often used for PC gaming monitors, and 4K video resolution, which is Ultra HD, is 3840 into 21 into 60 pixels. How big pixel is How big is a pixel? The physical size of the pixel depends on the set resolution for the display screen. If the display is set of maximum resolution, the physical size of pixel will equal to dot pitch or the dot size of the display. But if the resolution is set of something less than maximum resolution, a pixel will be larger size of screen dots. That is, a pixel will use more than one dot. What is a megapixel? A megapixel, in short, we can say is MP, is a million pixels. The term megapixel comes up often in photography. However, screen resolutions can be measured in megapixels. For example, 4000 is approximately 12 megapixel and 1080p is 2.1 megapixel. In photography, megapixels typically refer to the resolution of an image and the number of image sensors element in digital cameras. For example, a Sony A7 III camera can take 24.2 megapixel photos, which is 2 crores 42 lakhs pixels. Smartphones typically have 12 megapixel cameras, which interchangeably lens cameras typically have anywhere from 20 to 60 megapixel. Smaller icons cameras like GoPros or Insta360 cameras can range from 12 to 48 megapixel. So I would like to conclude myself. This is all about today's session. Thank you. We will meet in the next video. Bye.